Nature has blessed Nepal with many breathtaking lakes. While some lakes attract thousands of tourists each year, others aid local livelihood through fishing and irrigation. However, due to the encroachment of invasive species, the lakes are growing narrower day to day and some are even in the verge of extinction. Few efforts have been made to preserve the lakes. Some of these efforts are tedious while others are too expensive. So the solution? After the successful testing of water mower version 1 at Pishazari Lake of Chit, Prokura Innovations proudly presents to you water mower version 2.0 GOKAARNO. This upgraded, agile, cost-effective and efficient version is now ready to clean up your lakes.